Since 2003, Integral Systems has delivered sustainable digital solutions to improve the performance of organizations, providing industrial computing hardware and software. Our strategic partnership with Advantech has been key to our success. We are committed to providing system integrators with straightforward and user-friendly solutions that deliver added value to their clients. Combining our expertise in industrial computing hardware with our proficiency in software development allows us to offer a unique service to our customers. In our industry, there are numerous challenges. Firstly, collecting data at the edge is complex due to the diverse range of equipments and protocols. On top of that, securely transmitting data from the edge to the cloud presents its own hurdles. Software like EdgeLink and EdgeSync 360 address these challenges, especially focusing on onboarding, authentication, and security. Additionally, the ongoing management of field equipment is a persistent challenge. Given the reduced size of field teams and the complexity of equipment today, remote monitoring and control have become indispensable. EdgeSync 360, with its robust device and data management features, is invaluable in this context. There is three key features which comes to my mind about EdgeSync 360. First, its openness stands out. It allows seamless integration of data, not just from IoT and I/O in the field, but also from devices on the edge. This data is then intelligently consolidated and displayed in the WISE IoT Suite dashboard, making it invaluable for both war room and system integrators. Secondly, its remote access capabilities can significantly reduce downtime, especially when on-site intervention isn't immediate. And lastly, its SaaS model ensures cost efficiency since you only pay for the services you actually use. EdgeSync 360 offers a unified platform to manage all Advantech devices, streamlining the connection, management, and analysis of devices and data to help optimize industrial applications. Through our innovative solutions and collaborative efforts, we aim to revolutionize the way industries operate and interact with technology. In alignment with our partner Advantech, we believe in co-creating the future of IoT world.